guys. Yeah, this is our new iPad 3. The opening. Oh yeah.
The opening has arrived.
Look at that iPad 3.
Let's do this. Man.
The unboxing.
Oh my gosh.
The
There it
unboxing.
is. Oh my gosh.
Look how thin it is.
Look at
Really
that.
thin.
Oh my.
That's unbelievable.
Oh my.
That's half. That this is half like half the size of the iPad 2.
Really?
Like
did not know
in
that.
width.
Wow.
The screen is the exact same.
OMG is all I can say.
Wow.
Very light.
Let me hold it once.
No, hold on.
What's this?
What is this? 16
Okay,
gigabytes?
here's your.
That's how you can connect it to the computer to charge, and that's how you connect it to the wall to charge.
All right. This is
You're
our.
the worst cameraman I've ever.
This is our computer charger. Dad, let me see the wall charger. Our wall charger looks like this. It's pretty high-tech stuff.
Oh my gosh, it's turning on.
Oh,
There it is.
look at it glint in the sun. Let me feel it.
All right,
Hold
here, Dad,
on.
I'll set.
Oh, whoa! Look at that screensaver. Whoa.
All right, let's keep it in English next. Country or region? Where's the United States? I don't see it.
But we're from Wisconsin.
The unpacking. The opening.
Yes, that's all for now. Oops, I dropped it almost. Sorry about that. Yeah. And if you watch this video, look at this cool book I got. Decisioned in Normandy, because that's your research topic. Bargain price, $12.98.
Oh yeah, it wants us to connect to iTunes or connect to Wi-Fi. So
All right, let's go get the laptop from the car.
Hold on. Now, what about my phone?
you have Wi-Fi
Whoa,
on your phone,
look
you can
at
create
this.
a wireless network.
Yeah.
You can make a hotspot.
Yeah.
How?
Whoa, look at how thin that is. Look at its display. Whoa, it's like I just want to touch it. Whoa.
All right, first off, I hope that never goes on YouTube.
Wait, let me see your ear. Look at that.
Okay.
How beast is
You're
that?
on.
In the ear.
You set it up. All right, HTC Sensation 4G. Do you know the password?
It's pretty baller.
1,
right?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.